All right, the title of your notes will be Section 5.17 Histograms. Histograms, pretty cool word. Histograms, Section 5.17 Histograms. So, a couple terms that you need to know. Number one is frequency. Frequency. Frequency is just how often something occurs. Something occurs. How often something occurs. That's frequency. Now you also need to know what interval means. Interval means data shown in a group. In a group. So we'll see intervals today, which is data shown in a group. And of course your last term is just histogram. Histogram is a graph that displays data in ranges. A histogram is a graph that displays data in ranges. So, for example, we'll see something like this today, where you draw a graph, and we'll just go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we'll go 10, 20, and 30. And then we'll see some numbers today like 11, 22, 30, 17, 15, and 31. So what we do is we just graph this. So 11 is going to be between 11 and 20. So we cross that off on there. And then 22 is going to be between 20 and 30. So we cross that off. 30 is, of course, between 20 and 30. So now we go up to the 2. Cross that off. 17 is between 10 and 20. That's the second time a data piece comes in the range between 10 and 20. 15 is between 10 and 20. Cross that off. And, of course, 31. 31 is between 30, and we'll say this is 40. So, when we look at this, our data set, we say that this is skewed to the right. Skewed to the right. That's it. So, there are 3 simple steps to histogram. Steps to histogram on here. Steps to histogram. Step 1 is to, right here, is to circle your low and your high. So right here, your low, we would say that's 11. And your high, that looks like it's 31. So now you know what range to create your numbers. So step 2 would just be to plot your numbers. Plot your numbers on your histogram. On your histogram. HG. On your histogram. And step number 3 is just to ask yourself, where does it slope down? Where does it slope down? That means, where will it skew? This one slopes down to the right, so it skews to the right. That's it. Let's see what this looks like. Number 1, your numbers are 100, 72, 55, 70, 85, 82. Perfect. So now we have numbers. Let's circle your high. Well, that's obvious. That's 100. And your low, which one is your low? Looks like 52, 55. Anything lower than 55? Nope, 55 is your low. So now we just create your histogram on there. Create that histogram. And just go 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. And then we know our low is 55. So let's just start at, let's say 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. All right, so we know that 100 on there. 100 is between 90 and 100, so cross that off. 72 is between 70 and 80. 55 is between 50 and 60. 70 is between 60 and 70. Cross that off. Here's another 70. Now we're up to 2 in this range. Cross that off. 85 is between 80 and 90. And 82 is between 80 and 90 on there. Good. So what we have here are, when you see this, between 70 on there, and 72, we have 100 on there. So this one, we would actually call this symmetrical. We would call this symmetrical on the skew. Pretty even from left to right. We would call that symmetrical. All right. So when you look at that, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. Perfect. Let's see another one. Number 2 is 31, 45, 49, 47, 48, 52, and 32. 32. So go ahead and start with your histogram on there. Just draw that out. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. Circle your low, circle your high. Our low is obvious, that's 31. And then your high has to be 52 on there. So let's start with, let's go 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. And then let's just start plotting. 31 is between 30 and 40. Cross that off. 45 is between 40 and 50. Cross that off. 49 is between 40 and 50. Cross that off. 47 is as well between 40 and 50. 48 between 40 and 50. So you're seeing a trend here. 52 is between 50 and 60 on there. And then 32, that's between 30 and 40. Cross that off. So, which way does this skew? Well, it slopes down to the left. So we say this is skewed left. On there, skewed left is your answer. That's it. Let's see another one. Number 3 is 4, 6, 5, 5, 5, 6, 2, 3, 6, 4, and 7. So start off by circling your low and your high. So we know 2 is your low, that's easy. 7's our high. So now just create your histogram on there. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we know our low is, 2, so we'll just start at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. So we look at our numbers. 4 is between 3 and 4. 6 is between 5 and 6. 5 is between 4 and 5. Another 5 is between 4 and 5. Another 5 is between 4 and 5. A 6 between 5 and 6. A 2 is between 1 and 2. A 3 is between 2 and 3. A 6 is between 5 and 6. A 4 is between 3 and 4. And a 7 is between 6 and 7. So now that you have that, you take a look, and this is, you're looking at this, and you would say that this is skewed, slopes to the left. So this is skewed to the left. Skewed left. On there, we say this is skewed left. Let's try another one. Number 4 is, let's do 31. Let's go 40, 29, 21, 27, and 39. So what we do here is first go ahead and create your histogram. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then circle your low, circle your high. Your low looks like 21. Anything lower than 21? Nope. Low, 21. What's your high? 40. 40. Let's go with 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So here are our ranges. So here's 31. 31 is between 30 and 40. 40 is between 30 and 40. On there, no higher. 29 is between 20 and 30. 21 is between 20 and 30. Cross that off. 27, again, is between 20 and 30. And 39 is between 30 and 40. So you look at this, and this right here, we're going to say this is symmetrical. This is symmetrical. So your histogram on this one is symmetrical, and number 3 is skewed left. That's it. That's it. So, you know, when you're looking at these histograms, pretty cool on your plotting. You get to see your ranges. But go and try number 5 on your own. Number 5 is 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, and 6. Go and try number 5 on your own.